Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled accounts on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled accounts on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. If you'll find here updating this plus sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.